Welcome back, everyone. Autumn brings about some amazing blooms, including the dahlia, one of our state's most beautiful perennials. Malou Nubla discovered some tips for caring for them when she visited a Northern California flower field.
Can you guess, or do you know what the official flower is of San Francisco? I'm surrounded by them. Take a look. Dahlias. And I'm at the Happy Dahlia Farm in Petaluma, surrounded by loveliness. You're so lovely, Megan.
Thank you so much. You too, Malou.
Thank you. So I've never seen anything like this before. It's beautiful here. How did you start this farm?
It was already an existing farm. It was called Aztec Dahlias, but I bought it in the week of shelter in place, March 20th, 2020, and we changed the name. We added some grass. We made it a little bigger, and it's been pretty magical ever since.
Oh my gosh, it is beautiful out here. Like I said, all these blossoming dahlias. But you weren't always into flowers. You're doing this before, right? What were you doing before?
I was not. I was a makeup artist for shows like this. So it's a very different ball game, but still beauty, still color.
So it's a nice little career changer and inspiration to people.
Thank you.
Okay, so how many dahlias do you have here on this farm?
We have about 8,000 plants. We have 115 different varieties of dahlias.
Wow. So how does it start? How do you plant them? Was it something with this right here?
Yes, they start like this, these very not attractive little tubers. This one's been sitting in sawdust but still wants to grow. They are a crazily abundant plant. So you plant this guy, and then at the end of the season, we cut down all the dahlias and dig them up, and there's a whole collection of these tubers. And then we divide them, sell them, and replant them for the next season. So all of this comes up.
Well, so like at this stage right here, are you ready to cut them, or?
Yeah, so dahlias, unlike other flowers, you want to cut them when they're 3/4 of the way open. They're not like tulips where you cut them when they're closed and they open.
Right.
They don't really open much after you harvest them. So there's a perfect time to harvest.
And so I also understand that you have something here called a dahlia bar. You had me at bar already, but dahlia sounds even better.
Yes, we have a build your own bouquet bar. We aren't a U-cut because you have to harvest them at the perfect time. So we harvest them in the morning and put them into our little flower shop, and then you can go in there and pull your stems and build your own bouquet. You want to check it out?
Can you show me how to build one?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Okay, it's cutting time. We've got all the flowers here, the dahlias from the bar, so how do you put them together?
So we're just going to throw them into this mason jar, and this one seems like maybe a little shorter, so you just want to give it a fresh cut.
Do you have to angle the cut, or how do you cut it?
No, you just want to cut off because they callus over after you harvest them.
Right.
And then if you give them a fresh snip every day, they'll last a little longer. And dahlias aren't super, they don't last a super long time after they've been harvested, so you really want to change your water out every day.
Okay, how long will they last? Like, am I offended if like they only last a day?
I mean, like 5 to 7 days, I would say.
That's good. That's actually good. And so as we're putting this arrangement together, you know, this is really a lovely place, place because people, do they like, you have music out here? They meditate out here?
We do. We have sound baths. We have live music on the weekends, and we do new and full moon ceremonies with guided meditations.
Ah, it's so nice.
We have a lot of kid activities. We have a little kid garden, actually, and we have giant bubble shows.
All right, Megan, here at the Happy Dahlia Farm in Petaluma. You know what? The thing about this is no matter what you do, it's beautiful.
You can't go wrong with dahlias.
You can't go wrong. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.